But as I say, I spoke to you last night that being here is something very special. And we will take it slowly and try and take time with animals. Most of these guys, they do have chicks now. The penguins, it's nice up to right there.
I can see the seals.
They are chicks. So whenever you want to stand up, you let me know. I might not say no. There's no way I can say no, but just let me know. These are gentians. These are gentians. The pebble to build a nest. So as you can see, so they tend to steal each other's nests from pebbles from each other.
Yeah.
Then they are ready to go.
Okay.
Because if they are to do it earlier, they will die.
Yeah.
Cold. So they have to develop the waterproof feathers and an insulation feather underneath, because there is a big layer of different types of layers of feathers. Up ahead of us, you can tell that it has been rolling up and down every angle, right? So the lines that you see there, at one time, that was the level of this. Where the water level is, they will have like a deep cut inside.
Yeah.
So the deep cut, it means kind of like this. So a combination of that. Who are these guys?
Our friends. Oh. The bar. Have fun.
Hi, you guys, where are you going?
Wasted.
Guys, you need to get some drinks. You deserve champagne. You guys have been so nice. Come on. You deserve champagne. All right. Bubbles.
Some hot chocolate, some amarula. Bubbles.
Bubbles. Let's get real.
Oh, thank you.
Hello,
hi.
Hi.
Would you like some hot chocolate?
You want some
Hot chocolate? With amarula or just hot chocolate?
Can you get it?
I'm good. Just hot chocolate. I'm good.
They will make you like this. Yes. I like it this one. Just keep it there. Let's keep it.
We'll go back together.
They can just come with us.
Yeah, exactly.
That's where the party's at.
Get in here with all the booze.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Back aboard.
Okay, bye. We are not coming back. You guys can go wherever you're going. We are not coming back. Are you guys do you want to go back?
Not now.
No. Bye bye, guys.
No. Bye-bye.
Thank you. All right. Do you have a plastic bag there?
Okay.
If you want to chuck whatever, if you're done with your plastic bag.
Breakfast.
He needs to choose his words better.
Come again.
Little floating pieces of ice or the smaller ice cubes. Sometimes when I'm on the deck, they look like a bird or a fish. It's just the way they're shaped. It looks like there's wings sticking out their head.
Inside, if you look at the ice, you see almost every animal there.
Yeah.
So you see almost everything.
Oh, there's the seals.
So these are leopard.
Yes, I was waiting for that question. I deliberately kept quiet.
But they're very light colored.
That's not leopard.
Yeah.
Together, especially for a common cause,
Yeah.
which means when the eyes can be on the eyes can be, but mostly they will be moving on their own. that answer could be no, right? The dark color that I'm looking at there, let's do this. It's just a coloration. I'll say it's just a coloration. Yes, that has been.
They must have been.
I have seen them. They are so good at that. They are so. I've seen them many times. You know, going on a steeper area. But of course, probably they'll find a better, much more better than this one, which is not steeper. Probably they use the other side. But they are so good at that. And I translate yawning as a saying, look what I'm possessing. Please don't come close. By nature, it's a bit aggressive because it's a predator.
Yeah.
No, so one of the top predators of the ocean. Look at the mouth. Zebra. As young as they are food, so why can't what can they be there? If the females can be there, so what can stop them? So it's all about, most of these animals are driven by what they eat. They should be where they are because they need to have food. So no food, you don't.
What are these seals called? Crabbees. Yeah, okay.
So let's say if you look at the muzzle, dog-like muzzle, it's a crab eater. Round face is an elephant seal. Then we do have, they sort of lift their flippers halfway and walk with the flippers up. So those are not true seals, true seals. So crab eaters, wedge seals, leopard seals, and ring seals in the north, they are absolutely true seals because of the fact that they have got internal ears and they move like caterpillar movement. So if you have seen a fur seal, ocean.